Come exploring with us as we review Dillion State Park Campground, which is part of the Ohio State Park system. You can see there's plenty of room. This is a huge site and there's lots of trees around, but it's nice because you can pull in, so the trees aren't in the way. There's a great fire pit with a grill, and you can see here Explorer 1, which is a 40-foot, fits perfectly.
As you can see, there are sites here with full hookups. We have 50, 30, or 20 amp service. There's a full water hookup and a sewer line hookup. Now, also, about half of the sites, or maybe even a little more, seem to have just electric hookup. Now, we went with the full hookups because it was only $5 more a night.
If you want to visit Dillion State Park and you don't have an RV, no problem. They have these really incredible cabins with fire pit and a grill, a screened-in porch, a deck, beautiful view. So it's a great place to stay. This would be a cool place to stay in the winter.
Right in the middle of Dillion State Park is a huge reservoir that's been made by the Dillon Dam, which I'm actually standing on right now. Now, this dam is kind of unique in that you can see the watermarks over there that go all the way up to 815 feet. So I imagine at some point the water here was very, very high.
Right outside the campground, there's a boat ramp, and there is plenty of parking up here.
Here we're at the marina, and it looks like people have a lot of party boats out here. So this must be the lake to take the party boats out. Now, there's also a dock over here that's a courtesy dock. You can dock for 15 minutes to pick people up or let people off. Each campground here has its own normal sized playground. But over at the dam, this might be one of the biggest playgrounds I've ever seen, and it is really cool. There's all kinds of different things here and a great slide. Well, we've spent a lot of time exploring Dillion State Park, and I have to tell you, this place is incredible.
It is a great campground, and I gotta say, I always have to mention the endless showers with hot water.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little warm out, so the hot water, but it's very clean.
Yep. There's
a picnic table at each site. There are playgrounds. I don't know if there's anything else we could ask for.
No, I'll tell you, the reservoir here is just beautiful. And the campsites are very, very comfortable. You're not right on top of each other. There's a lot of green between them. And there are 3 loops here. And those loops have, 50, 60 campsites each. There's a lot of camping potential here. It is, it's just been really, really wonderful. And the prices are, pretty reasonable. I think it was $25 or $26.
It was actually $36. So this was probably the most expensive we've spent on a campground, but well worth it to have full hookups when you're traveling the way we are. I think that being able to dump and flush has been well worth the price.
Now, there is a $6.50 reservation fee, and I'm noticing that this new reservation fee thing is turning up all over the place. Right. I'm not a big fan of the reservation fees, but I guess it's, you got to do it if you got to do it. So,
and maybe we'll do some research and do another video on that. There are some walk-in sites throughout the park. And right now it's the end of May in Ohio we're at, so it's hot. There's not, and it's a Monday, there's not many people here at all. I just don't know how busy it would get.
I imagine just looking at it, it looks like this place could fill up. I mean, it's just a beautiful, beautiful facility. Well, you know what? We have worked up quite the appetite today because we have been all over this park, and it's time to put a couple steaks on the grill and then get back on the road tomorrow morning. I'm Dan Hunt from Dillion State Park in Ohio with my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.